When it comes to comparing paid and organic keyword rankings, you need to understand the difference between these two types of results and how to track them effectively. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to compare them and what insights you can gain to improve your marketing strategy. Stay with me till the end, because I'll be giving you access to an exclusive free trial for a powerful tool that can make this process a lot easier. So let's dive right in. First, let's break down the two ranking types. Organic rankings are the results that appear naturally in search engines without any paid effort. These are based purely on SEO, things like content quality, backlinks, and website structure. On the other hand, paid rankings are those that show up as paid ads. These are driven by ad campaigns like Google Ads, where you pay to target specific keywords. To compare these two effectively, the first step is choosing the right tool. You'll need something that shows both organic and paid rankings side by side. There are a few popular tools out there, but I've tried them all and have a personal favorite. Stick around, and I'll share the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Once you've got your tool set up, start by analyzing the keywords you're targeting in your paid ads and the ones that rank organically. You'll want to see if there's overlap between the two. If you're bidding on a paid keyword that you already rank for organically, it might be a good idea to adjust your strategy. You don't want to waste money on a keyword that you're already getting traffic for organically. Another thing to watch out for is the competition. If your paid ad is showing up for a keyword, but your organic ranking is buried lower on the search results page, it may be time to adjust your organic SEO efforts. Maybe your page needs more backlinks, better on-page optimization, or fresher content to boost that organic ranking. Pay close attention to the SERP features. With paid results, you can see ads, but organic results can also feature things like snippets, images, or local packs. Tracking these variations gives you deeper insight into how your keywords are performing in different areas of the search results. You'll want to focus on improving your organic listings to compete against these additional features. Next, track the performance over time. Both paid and organic rankings fluctuate, but they do so differently. Paid ads provide instant results, but once you stop paying, the traffic stops. Organic rankings, on the other hand, build slowly and steadily. When comparing these, make sure you're looking at long-term trends. Are your organic rankings steadily improving, or are you losing ground? Are your paid ads outperforming in certain areas? This information will help you decide where to allocate your budget and effort. At this point, the big takeaway is simple. Paid and organic keyword rankings serve different purposes, but when used together, they give you the full picture of your search engine performance. Your organic strategy should support and complement your paid efforts, not duplicate them. Always aim to optimize both to maximize visibility. To quickly recap, use a reliable tool to track both organic and paid rankings. Look for overlap in keywords, analyze the competition, keep an eye on SERP features, and track your rankings over time to make informed decisions. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the tool I recommend, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description. Take advantage of that to make your keyword comparison process much easier. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.